She said that she was feeling like a doormat because she was made to do all the hard work, all the grunt work, while other people who are the yes men of her boss were taking all the credit and all the growth. She felt suffocated and completely ignored in the process. And unfortunately, I've seen that this is a sad reality for so many women that have been a part of the masterclasses. However, the good news is, as she started implementing the principles of art of winning, she started making her own presence felt, built her brand upwards, started getting noticed by everybody, and she became unignorable. Thereby, her growth was fast tracked and she got what was due for her. Now, this is the biggest joy of our lives, to be able to support and serve thousands of women who use the art of winning principles to win big in their career. If you are dealing with any such challenges where you want to be one of the top leaders and having so many hurdles, I invite you to join our ILAD Leadership Masterclass, where you will go through the principles of winning and start winning big in your career business. Look forward to seeing you there.